Forget about a measly 10% return on your investment. If there was a way to make up to 300% profit in 60 seconds using a little known about secret in the financial market, would you be interested? The system works, and I'm going to show you how to create incredible returns trading online, doing exactly what the big banks do. Best of all, this can be done not in weeks, days, or even hours. This can be done in seconds. What I'm teaching isn't penny stock investing that requires countless hours studying and watching a stock ticker. With literally minutes a day spent on exploding your wealth, you'll have ample time to do this part-time until you realize that your income from Cedar Finance System is far outpacing your regular job. Welcome to Cedar Finance Binary Options Trading Revolution. Binary options trading is the best way to learn how to trade quickly and start making money investing online. It works because it's simple as two options, up and down. Up, buy a call, down, buy a put. Because the system doesn't require a lot of monitoring, it works with your schedule and your free time. In fact, it takes so little time, once you get rolling, you'll be able to focus on everything you love doing. With trading online, a short activity every day to keep the income coming in. Even better, you aren't doing this on your own. This is not an information package that we dump with you and leave you alone. Our star traders will hold you by the hand and tell you exactly when to pull the trigger. One of the most exciting things about my system is that you don't need a ton of money to get started. You can easily open your account with $200. One of our recent clients, Lindsay, was a big marketing executive before deciding to stay home with her new child. Looking for a way to generate a bit of her lost income, she found binary options trading, and within 3 months was generating more money than she had been at her old job. She went from working 50 hours a week to less than 5, and now she has the time to focus on what she really wants to focus on, raising her daughter. Binary options trading is not a system of luck. We don't rely on luck to win at this game. We use the system to make sure the odds are always in my favor. If you have suspected for a long time that there was a better way to make money investing online but didn't want to get in over your head, Cedar Finance Binary Options Trading is perfect for you. Start comfortably, start small, and remember, I will teach you everything you need to learn to invest online and make huge profits on your money. There are similar systems on the market that charge up to $3,000 or require an initial investment of up to $10,000. But I'm not going to charge you for something you're not sure about. In fact, you can get access to my inner circle for free, completely free. All I want is your interest. I want you to say, yes, this sounds like the opportunity I've been looking for, and I want to learn more about it. Our instinctive interface makes learning extremely simple, and you can get started with confidence almost immediately. Even after you take the first step, it's completely risk-free. All our deposits are guaranteed, and with our incredible customer service, you'll always have the help, guidance, and support you need. Take the first step to a life where your workday is measured in minutes, where the idea of a schedule revolves completely around the other things you want to do in your life, where your income is simply a decision you make and not a limit that's set for you, where your life is what you want it to be and the way you always knew it could be. Sign up right now for free access to your Cedar Finance Binary Options account. It's that easy.